What you doing, boy? What you doing? It's got the hiccups.
Hello. Welcome to House 51. For those of you who don't know me, I am Chief Wallace Bowe. These fine people are FPM Gabriella Dawson, Squad Lieutenant Kelly Severide, Truck Lieutenant Matt Casey. Here we go.
What's that?
And everybody, listen to your lieutenants. Let's go.
What is that?
Squad 3, you have a change of address?
Cruz, is that you?
Hey,
Get your legs kicking.
me and Cap are working the call center.
Got those legs kicking, don't ya?
You're kidding.
Wish I was. Change of address is 300 North Dearborn Marine.